In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Monday.com. First, head to Zapier.com and sign into your account. If you're new to Zapier, you'll land in the editor where automations called Zaps are built. Make sure you're using an account with permission to connect external apps. Having both your Zapier and Monday.com logins handy will keep things smooth. In the Zap editor, look for the section labeled Trigger. The trigger is what starts your automation, so it's the first thing we set up before any actions can run. Click into the trigger area to choose which app will listen for changes. In the search box that appears, start typing Monday.com. You'll see the Monday.com app show up in the list of available integrations. Click on Monday.com to select it as your trigger app. Next, choose your trigger event. This tells Zapier exactly what change in Monday.com should kick off your workflow. Depending on your needs, you might choose something like a new item, an item moved to a group, or an item updated. Pick the event that best describes when you want your Zap to fire. If you're not sure, think about the moment in your Monday.com process when you want automation to start and match that to the closest trigger option. Some triggers may require choosing a specific board or workspace later, so it helps to know where your data lives. Now it's time to connect your Monday.com account. Click to sign in, and a secure window will prompt you to authorize Zapier. Confirm you're connecting the correct Monday.com workspace and grant the requested permissions so Zapier can read the data needed for your trigger. Only approve what's necessary for your workflow and avoid pasting sensitive tokens or keys in unsecured places. With the account connected, you can test the trigger. Click Test Trigger, and Zapier will pull in sample data from Monday.com that matches the event you chose. If nothing appears, make sure there's at least one recent item or change in the board that fits your trigger, then run the test again. Seeing a clean sample is important because it confirms Zapier can find the data your automation will use later. That's it. You've connected Monday.com as the trigger in Zapier, selected the event, linked your account securely, and verified the connection with a test. From here, you're ready to continue building your automation by adding actions that respond to that trigger. Save your work, and you're set to move forward with confidence.